Hey everybody, Leigh Goldstein here for the weekly Market Movers video preview. This is our trade room schedule as well as a look at all the events that we feel will move the futures markets in the upcoming week. So let's get started. It's a busy week. All times are Eastern Time. Our first trade room will be Monday morning at 6:30 a.m. for McDonald's earnings. No trade room on Tuesday at 3 a.m., but we will be watching the Spanish flash CPI GDP. Our first trade room on Tuesday will be 6 a.m. for Caterpillar earnings and Procter & Gamble earnings and American Tower as well. Back in the room at 9:30 for CB Consumer Confidence and JOLTS, also our first YouTube stream of the week. Back in the trade room for 4 events at 3:45 p.m. PINS, Microsoft, and AMD earnings, and the API crude oil report, a family money trade. Then 2 events at 9 p.m. on Tuesday, Australia quarterly CPI and the Chinese manufacturing non-manufacturing. On Wednesday, we've got 2 reports we'll be watching, 5 a.m. the Euro Core CPI report and 6:30 a.m. Humana's earnings. We'll be in the trade room at 7 a.m. on Wednesday for Boeing's earnings, and then we have 3 events at 7:45, ADP, the Employment Cost Index, and Canada GDP. ADP and the Employment Cost Index are both family money trades. Then back in the room at 9:15 for another family money trade, Chicago PMI, pending home sales at 9:15, crude oil inventories as well at 9:15. Back at 1:30 p.m. for the FOMC statement, which will be our stream of the week on YouTube for Wednesday, and then 3:30 p.m. for Qualcomm and Meta's earnings. No trade room for Kaishan Manufacturing. That's a 9:45 p.m. report on Wednesday evening. Thursday, 6:30 in the morning, we start for the Bank of England official bank rate, 8 o'clock for unemployment claims, non-farm productivity, and then 2 events at 9:15 on Thursday in the morning, ISM Manufacturing, our YouTube stream of the day, that's a family money trade, and natural gas storage. Then we'll be back for 3 or 4 earnings reports. Amazon and Intel at 3:30, Snap and Coin at 3:30 p.m., and Apple earnings as well, 3:30 p.m. A lot of action. And then Friday, 2 final events. We'll be watching the Swiss CPI, 2:30 in the morning, and then our final event of the week, a big one, the U.S. jobs report, non-farm employment, family money trade, and a YouTube stream of the day on Friday at 8 a.m., the NFP non-farm employment report. A big week. You can see there's a ton of events. Looking forward to seeing everyone in the trade room. Hope you're all having a great weekend, and I'll see you soon. Leigh Goldstein signing out for 10-Minute Trades.